Well, 5 primary school students are heading to Silicon Valley to pitch their apps to the biggest technology company in the world, Google. They'll leave Australia this Saturday as part of a global Technovation challenge, where they'll get mentored and meet other like-minded tech-savvy girls from around the world. Year 5 student Izzy O'Brien and her friends created an app to encourage children to read.
This book is so boring. I wish there was a solution. Well, there is. Hello and welcome to Reading Republic's pitch video. Our app is called Reading Republic, and today we will be introducing and explaining our app. What problem does our app solve? Our app solves the problem of way overpriced reading apps. We think good education should be free.
Well, to find out more, I'm joined now by Izzy O'Brien with her mum, Nicola O'Brien. Thank you both for joining us tonight. Sounds like a wonderful app idea. I will ask you about how you came to that in just a moment, Izzy. But Nicola, if I can start from you, what is the Technovation Challenge?
The Technovation Challenge is an amazing opportunity for girls from around the world who have been working on their apps and entrepreneurship projects to all come together next week in Silicon Valley. They're going to be participating in pitch fests, they'll be getting some amazing coaching and mentoring from industry experts, and they'll be visiting some of the really big tech companies in Silicon Valley.
So how did this team of girls qualify to get there?
They've been working on their app now for about 18 months. They came together to enter a local Australian competition called the Tech Girls Are Superheroes contest, and went through a 12-week program to develop the idea and worked with an industry mentor who would meet up with them and work on their project ideas and develop it out right through to a prototype app. And they were very thrilled to win the competition, and they became the Australian champions, which then feeds into the Technovation Challenge.
So Izzy, explain to me the process that you went through. Your mum just said it was 18 months of getting to the stage where you're now ready to present and pitch this app to Google.
Well, we all had different roles. So I'm the database dragon, which means I work on the database and make sure everything's in order. And then
what does that mean for someone who, a database of people or a database of binary codes?
It's a database of facts about the books that have been stored into the app at the moment. Like, for example, there are books, and that sometimes there are double ups,
right?
Which sometimes they're bad reviews, so we have to get rid
So
of them.
if you were the database coordinator and there's another 4 girls in your team, what were the other roles?
2 of the girls, Sophia and Claire, they were code monkeys, so they did most of the coding. Then Sabrina was the project manager, and she handed out tardy slips if you were late.
Mm-hmm.
And then Angelica was the designer, and she designed our logo and the website and stuff.
Now, the main aim of this app is to get more kids reading, allow them to write reviews, and I noticed there in your pitch it's at a better price than all the other ones that are out there.
Yes, because we think good education should be free, and there are tons of people out there that can't afford Reading Eggs and Literacy Planet, so we thought we could have like the same apps just incorporated together and for free.
Yeah. So Nicola, will you be going over to Silicon Valley?
Yes.
You mentioned there before that part of the process over there will be pitching, mentoring and networking, if you like. What exactly, can you take us through in more detail what will happen over there and what the benefits will be to these group of girls?
Well, there are 3 teams travelling from Australia, and on Monday next week we're going to meet the teams from all around the world who are there as well. Each day there's a fully chaperoned program for the girls, and they range from as young as 9 and 10, like the Reading Republic team, right up to upper high school students. And each morning you're given the schedule. It's going to be a really busy, exciting few days. You jump on the bus, you might spend the morning at Facebook, the afternoon at Google, come back, meet the sort of CTO of a tech company who's going to sit down and ask the girls to explain the tech challenges they have on the project. And then the next day we'll back it up and we'll spend time in the morning perfecting the pitches and getting feedback from, the Silicon Valley venture capitalists who sit there and see these pitches day after day. And by the end of the week it culminates in a big pitch night, and then international winner of Technovation is going to be announced.
And so finally, what happens after your team comes back? How do you harness and leverage the networking that could be created there for you?
Oh my gosh. The girls have got these great ideas for their app. I think what they're really looking to do now is to add more features to it and really get it up to some point of a scale. So, I don't know, Izzy, do you want to tell them about some of the new features we're looking at?
We're thinking of adding something which allows you to compete with your friends in like a challenge every day, and somehow if you win, you might get like a token or something, which allows you to like review more books and be able to see more things on the app.
Well, I certainly know that my 9-year-old twins would like anything with a bit of competition involved. Congratulations, Izzy and Nicola, on this fabulous journey that you're about to embark on. We wish you all the very best over in Silicon Valley.
Thank you so much.